Good afternoon, students, and welcome to today's virtual ECA. I'm Miss Heffernan, and today our activity will be on magic maths. I personally love maths, whether I'm teaching it or learning something new, so I really hope you enjoyed today's challenge. The two magic tricks we are focusing on today will help improve our adding, subtraction, division, and multiplication. You can also perform these magic tricks with your family and friends, and I guarantee they will be impressed with your mental math skills. Let's get started. Trick number one is the easier of the two tricks. It includes 5 steps with all 4 operations. When performing this maths trick, your audience must choose a number below 10. This is really important for your trick to work. The steps are as follows. Step 1, think of a number below 10. Step 2, double that number. Step 3, add 6 to the total. Step 4, divide the total by 2. Step 5, subtract your original number from the total. Once your audience has completed these steps, ask them to check over that they did everything correctly. Now, the magic part. You will be able to predict that their final answer is 3. This is because no matter which number your audience chooses below 10, the final result will always be 3. You will look like a wizard. I'm now going to show you an example of what this will look like when your audience chooses a number. For step 1, imagine your audience has chosen the number 5. Step 2, they will have to double that number. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Step 3, they must add 6 to the total. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Step 4, they have to divide their total by 2. 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Step 5, subtract your original number from the total. So 8 subtract 5 equals 3. Again, make sure you ask them to check over their work. They may have written this down on a piece of paper, so they'll need to check that all of the steps have been completed correctly. Before they reveal their answer, you will be able to guess, as I said, that their final result is 3. This is because no matter which number they pick, the result will always be 3. Trick number 2 is a little more challenging as it involves 7 steps. When performing this maths trick, your audience can choose any number. For this reason, you need to be very comfortable with subtracting, multiplying, adding, dividing, because your audience may choose a number higher than 10. Now, to really impress your audience, you should try memorize the 7 steps. Step 1, you will ask them to think of any number. Step 2, subtract 1 from your number. Step 3, multiply the answer by 3. Step 4, add 12 to the result. Step 5, divide the answer by 3. Step 6, add 5 to the answer. And step 7, subtract your original number. Now you can see this trick is a lot more challenging. So give your audience time to check over their answers, and you may want to read the steps to them a second time. You will see when I go through the example that the final result will always be 8, and that's the magic part. Trick number 2, I will do an example now to show you how it will work. So step 1, thinking of any number. Remember, this can be above 10. For this example, I have chosen the number 14. Step number 2, subtract 1 from your number. 14 subtract 1 equals 13. Step 3, multiply the answer by 3. 13 multiplied by 3 equals 39. Step 4, add 12 to the result. 39 plus 12 equals 51. Step 5, divide the answer by 3. 51 divided by 3 equals 17. Step 6, add 5 to the answer. 17 plus 5 equals 22. Step 7, subtract your original number. Our original number was 14. 22 subtract 14 equals 8. Now, before you ask your audience to reveal their number, make sure you have written down the number on a piece of paper as well. Remember, your audience has not told you their step 1 number. So when you reveal the same answer as them, they will be wowed by your mental math skills and your wizardry skills. Did they do everything correct? If they did, their final result will be 8. Thank you for taking part in my virtual ECA today. I hope you have fun trying out these magic math tricks on your family and friends. I'd love to hear how they go. Bye!